So here's what I eat in a day on a high raw day for thyroid healing. So does anybody else remember these socks from the 80s? I'm an 80s kid, so I love them. So every day I start off with a big glass of lemon water and I drink that to flush my liver. Then I have a big glass of fresh celery juice, and that's also for liver health and overall thyroid health. It's really good for you. Then, before I have my breakfast, I take all of the herbs that I am currently on for my thyroid. So, then breakfast this morning was a few bananas, an apple, some pears, and a few dates chopped up. And then I also like to add some cinnamon to the top, and I have that with a glass of tea. Then, later in the morning, I had a big bowl of fruit. I love grapes. So then for lunch, I had a big salad. I had a bunch of greens with sprouts, and I added tomato, some red onion, and cucumber. And I love olives, so I added a bunch of olives. Then I added my homemade plant-based ranch dressing. You can find that in my feed or on my website for free. And that was absolutely delicious. Look at the size of my plate. Like, this was a huge salad and I ate all of it. Then a little bit later, I had a few more bananas with pineapple and a few golden kiwis. Then for dinner, I had a big bowl of potatoes with tomatoes and onion and my vegan cheese sauce, some hot sauce, and some cilantro. It was a simple and super delicious day.